One of the most interesting things about Bernardi philosophy is the concreteness, that we can say is the DNA of the concreteness in Veneto. He first created this engine and he built it, checked if well worked, and then he patented, contrarily to others that, even before Bernardi, had deposed patents but they have not been followed because they were not carried out. A question people often do is, where did they find out gasoline at the end of 1800s? Obviously, there were not gas stations, but were grocers selling gasoline in tins, because it was used mainly for lighting, but he had also other purposes. The Bernardi stock of insight was using this product, which is explosive, to make the engine work.